Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. And if it's a website, I'll leave their link also. So, both are safe to click. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what it is. And of course, if it's Prime, we know what this week is coming up. Prime Day sales are going on now. Definitely check them out. Oh, what is this? Right there. Alright, this is Amazon, so I'll leave the Amazon link, which will be my affiliate link, and you can get these good deals on a HopVision LED projector. Oh baby. Take a look inside. It's a nice packaging. Bam. Alright. Now we're talking. You can use a gaming PS5, Nintendo Switch, the old school NES mini retros, and then also Xbox, PC, Steam, you name it. This could do it all. Watch movies, watch sports, watch wrestling, whatever you want to do. Alright, let me, hold on, adjust over here. Alright guys, here we go. This is a LED projector. Really nice front. You got the accessories. I think this is the stand. I'll show you where it goes in a minute. You get the HDMI cord, a remote control, old school outputs. Like I said, you could do VHS, have movie nights, retro gaming nights, all up in the man cave or wherever you want to have it. I don't think it's waterproof, but if you find a way to make it, try it. We might watch some movies outside. Now we got a cover here. Come on. Alright. There we go. You just gotta pop it out. There's like a little latch right there. You just pull it out, it comes out. And you can always put it back. Look at that. Nice chrome. Well, this should be really nice to look at. Definitely gonna be watching it tonight. 2 USBs, 1 and 2, headphone jack, AV, 2 HDMIs. That's always a good thing. There's a power, fan. I think these are the speakers. Right here on the back side, you're going to see that little hole right there. I'm going to take the screw and screw. So it's like a portable mini stand, for temporary until you get another one. Or you can use it like this. Just remember, I got the lens back on. So yeah, it goes like that. Just a simple pop out and then comes out. And now we'll flip it back. Has 9 slip guards right there. Should be good to go. You can see it has it up positioned right, so that's a good spot. And yeah, we'll be right back. We're gonna go downstairs and test it out. Alright, YouTubers, here we are. Down in the basement, we got the projector running. I still gotta position it the right way. As you can see, it's kind of overshadowing the screen. That's 120 inch. So I got it right there. I still gotta adjust a few things. That'll be done later tonight. But this is what it looks like with the light on. Still really clear picture. Can't wait to play some games on it. Watch some movies, some sports. Here we go. We're gonna shut it off. And there we go. And over here it has a nice blue LED screen, or not screen, but lights. Really nice. Super quiet. And here we go. Oh boy, we got a surprise at the bottom. What does that mean? New item test? What does that mean? Alright, we'll back out. We'll go to HDMI. I think it's 2. Give it a second. Here we go. We got some kind of movie going on. Amazing picture quality, guys. I'm telling you this. Cannot wait to watch sports on this. I'm going to zoom in. And it sounds good too as is. Here we go. Look at the color. Look at that red. Eyes. So I gotta still make a few adjustments. But I mean, it looks good until you see that part. So I gotta either move it back or move it forward. Not sure yet. So I'll figure it out. But definitely, if you're looking for a good projector, excellent one right here. Alright, YouTubers, have a good night.